Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the rest. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anique here from Anique Budgets, okay? And if you are new here, welcome to the channel. On here we do cash stuffing, budgeting, paying off debt, and minding our business. Not necessarily in that order, but baby, that's what we do, okay? So if you are interested, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button. If you ain't new here but you an oldie but goodie, welcome back welcome back welcome back to the channel. If you do enjoy this video, because today we are doing a paycheck closeout, baby, because just how our cash stuffing is important, the budgeting is important, so is the closeout. So we're doing a closeout today. Like the video if you do like it. If you want to add a comment, drop your 2 cents down below in the comment box. We'd love to hear you and we can all help each other. But without further ado, baby, because we're here for a good time, not a long time, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so we are up close and personal, all up in our budget business for our 15 November paycheck, because we got to get it together, okay? You feel me? Cause feel me. All right, so I got the green pen, so now we about to wrap it up and show you what is happening with this paycheck, right? So my carryover was still $530.67. We love it. Okay, paycheck, right? Paycheck was still $540, and so nothing changed in how much I received. Baby, love to see it, okay? We love to see that we ain't been changing up and stitching up on your girl. All right, so now we're gonna move down to my expenses. So my father Merrick did get, well, he is entitled to this $100. So let me actually pay this man. ADT security was $53.91, so we paid that. That was good. Applecare is coming up. I'm gonna transfer the money onto my account, so it takes out of there. My my Apple One was the same, and then my Lowe's is $41. Child, got to pay it because apparently I don't know what's been happening, y'all, but I tell you, November has been a weird month for me because I haven't been like keeping up with my paying of my bills, even though the money is available. I don't know what's happening, but let's get into it. The boom bada bang up the door. So I like to write the numbers in because it gives me a clear picture of exactly, you know, what I spend and all that good jazz. All that. That's really what I thought about. And then Lowe's is $41. Nothing has changed with her, so we gonna pay a little baby as well. All right, well, everything here is gonna be paid. They just gonna be paid differently, y'all, different times. But anyways, so my electricity bill, right, girl, you know we always budget $180, but baby, guess what it came out to this month? Guess. I know you can guess. It came up to $90.23, which is beautiful because that is, baby, almost less than a half. We love to see it, y'all. We love to see it, and she gonna get paid and do. Okay, y'all, side note, I can't find my credit card, which has been a blessing and a curse, but I'm like, this is good, but I can't like put a what's it called, I can't like put it on hold because it's still used to pay for a bill. So it's still like, bills are still being charged to it. And I know it's somewhere in my house or in my car or somewhere, because I know I had it the last time somewhere in my vicinity. So it's not like it's not, but I just don't know where I put it. So, you know, my bills are still getting paid. Nothing's been like, no crazy charges have been charged to it. I just can't find it. But I'm going to try finding it again before I like be like, all right, no, we need a new one, because I know, man, watch, I'm gonna be like, oh, I need a new one, and then it's gonna pop up and I'll be mad. But it is what it is. Anyways, my water bill also came through, and you know, she had $120, but your girl is doing what? She is spending $73.78 on water. So when we do the calculations of all the things, so that's 100 plus 53.91 plus 8.55 plus 90.23 plus 24.41 plus 73.78 plus 41. That's equals to $391.88. So let's just make sure 153.91, 855, 90.23, 24.41, 73.78, and $41. So $391.88 is what we are paying in bills off of this paycheck, which is cute. We love her. We love a low check, okay? A low bills check. All right, so that is for my expenses. Now we are going to move down to the cash envelopes, which, baby, none of these change. Everybody got the money that they asked for. So $100 in groceries, $20 in gas, $10 in allowance, which you never hold out on, child. Like, my allowance be going through like water through hands, like slip and slide. She just be gone. You never stay for nothing. She be like, I'm dipping. As soon as you see me, I'm out. Like, please, can't you just stay for a little bit? Nope. And so toiletries got $5, household got $15, and hair care got $15, which equal to a total of $165 in cash envelopes. We also went to my saving challenges and we got $20 up in there. Okay, we love it. And so that was a total of $20 in my saving challenge. Y'all, did y'all see the latest update that my 10 of a kind saving challenge, I'm not in the 50s and 100s, y'all? Like, I am no longer in the baby numbers. Like, I'm in my big girl status. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Y'all, so crazy, but that's where we add for those. Next, we're gonna go to our sinking funds. My car maintenance got $70, which, baby, let me tell you, she is beautiful. It is phenomenal what a sinking fund can do for you. If you don't have one, go ahead and get one, because she comes through every single time for you, girl, and she will come through every single time for you. Okay, just like how she came for me, you know, she gonna come through for you. My sinking funds also had all the same numbers. Nothing really changed with them. So I'm doing the closeout. So my car maintenance was $70, travel was $70, my Christmas was $10, clothing was $5, my birthday was $5, fam birthday was $5, and then 1 month ahead was $20, and emergency fund was $30, which equals a total of $215 that was put into my sinking funds. And then last but not least is my Navy Federal credit card, which got her $140. Okay, don't play with her, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Okay, period. So sliding over, I don't even know why I started over. Slide black, girl. Slide black. Did I just say slide black? Well, I mean, it's black. Slide black, but slide back. Right, so my Navy Fed got an additional $140 onto my credit card, and now we are going to do my categories. So my income still remained at $1,070.67. My expenses, however, went down to $391.88. My cash envelopes remain at $165. My additional savings remain at $20. My sinking funds remain at $215. And my additional debt remained at $140. So when we do the calculations, 1070.67 minus the 391.88 minus our 165 minus 20 minus 215 minus 41. Ooh, sorry, 140. We have $138 and 79 cents to spend, which I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I think that's gonna go on my credit card. Like, that might just be it. Like, that might just be it. But I have $138, so my carryover is $138.79. But we gonna see, y'all, cause ooh, the credit card looking like she coming for that $138. Okay, but that was the closeout, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This was really quick. Was it quick? Ooh, sorry, shaking the table. Even if it wasn't quick, I hope it gives you insight. I always try to do these closeout because, listen, they be helping. I don't know what nobody told you, but it be helping. So make sure you close out, make sure you track your expenses, because those two things are bomb. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. My name's Anique. If you enjoyed this video, again, don't forget that subscribe button, like this video so that you know so that YouTube knows what you like, and they will redirect you to here so you can get on the tea, child. And then leave your 2 cents down below in the comment box and share so everyone can see what you do for your budget that may be helpful, baby. And yeah, you know, let's get this debt-free living life together for all of us. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.